In this video, I'll teach you how to add animations to your header in Wix Studio. Start by going up in the top right corner and open Inspector and then click on the header. Now choose a page and header to ensure you have only selected header and not a section within the header. Once you've done that, go up here to the lightning symbol and click, and now we have entered the animations and effects section. And now you have 3 different types of animations you can add to your header. So if you, for example, wanted to change the color, you can go to hover and click color right here. And now it's going to change the color when someone hovers over the section here. As you could see, it just turned brown for a second, but you can go down and adjust the color here at the bottom right corner, click adjust animation, and choose the fill color right here. So if I wanted to be more of like brown like this, then I could do that. And I can also choose the duration of it or a delay if I want to. That's completely up to you to play around with. To see how the animation looks, go up here and click preview and we can test it out. Like this, and then I hover over it and it looks like this. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can add an animation to your header in Wix Studio.